Hey everybody, and welcome to Unboxed by Bulbhead, our new unboxing series. Today we're going to be checking out CopCam by the maker. Hey everybody, and welcome to Unboxed by Bulbhead, our new unboxing series. Today we're going to be checking out CopCam by the makers of Atomic Beam. So for those of you unfamiliar with CopCam, it's a compact wireless security camera that's actually quite small, as you can see here on the box. It's great for hiding around the house, using it as an action cam, clipping on your shirt, but we'll get into a bunch of that stuff later. So, looks like we have the unit right off the bat. It's pretty small. Also comes with a clip for your shirt, a wall mount, including the hardware, and looks like a little sticky tape as well. And then, of course, the USB cable for charging. So how do we turn this thing on? Well, there's a button right on the top here. It says press record. So you press it, hold it down for 4 seconds, and then a little red light comes on. And this thing is motion activated, so once it detects motion, the light's going to turn green and it'll start recording. So at first glance, you might think that this little camera can't do much, but it actually does a whole lot. It records an HD video, has a built-in microphone for recording audio, and has the ability to take still photos. Right up front you have the lens, which is surrounded by 6 infrared LEDs for night recording. And then on the bottom you have an included 8GB memory card right in the slot. Here's the USB port. Of course, there's an included USB cable for charging and transferring. As I said before, CopCam has a lot of different uses, one of which is wearing it actually on your person by using this included swivel clip. It's pretty easy to install. There's a little groove on the CopCam. You just clip it right in. You hear a little click. Then you can swivel it around if you want. And then just clip it right on. One of my favorite features is its ability to be used as a security or nanny cam. You can use it right on the clip, just attach it to the wall mount, and then point it in the direction of whatever you want to surveil. But you don't have to use the wall mount. You just simply detach CopCam from the swivel clip, place it anywhere you want to inconspicuously record, and you don't even have to worry about running